Alright, the flight already increasing the altitude. Now it's the height is around 200 meters. So you can see we had already turning around, and from the height to getting lowerly, and then so you can see this is all set of our products we are major to do in a different kind of architecture design. And this particular building is we're doing for the mixed commercial buildings with store, shop, office, and everything inside. So in this set, this is the mountain, and then will be steps to getting lower, and to turning to the center of this building. So we are going down. Alright, this is our air photo drill, and we use this drill to measure for the taking photos and videos for the different kind of our products, and to try to analysis all of these things different. You can see the center of these things is the garden we're doing for the landscape, and then the flattening around. Yes, we're in the top of this building. Say hello to all of your audience.